on, Caroline, you can do it.
What did you say? You know
Good.
what you say?
Are these Ellen? What are these pies?
Oh my god, these are amazing.
Are these Ellen's pies? These must be.
Can we get them at the Village Idiot Inn?
I don't think so.
Okay.
Well, maybe. You think Ellen's like, Ellen's pies. What do you think this one is?
That one looks like potato.
Potato? It's cut like sawdust mixed in with like, you know, pea, like bird droppings.
Yes. That's my favorite.
I would imagine, especially with a little, this stuff, whiskey.
Indeed.
Anything's good with your
Indeed.
habit.
Do we need clear? Okay. Here, pass that around.
Okay.
Okay.
And this is like extra whiskey topping, whipped.
That is vanilla overload for the pumpkin pie that was also made by Ellen, right?
Ellen, come tell us what we have here.
I know, this is really...
Ellen. Hello, everybody. Hi, Ellen.
Hi.
Say hello. What do
So
we have here?
tell us.
We've completely mischaracterized this, I'm sure.
Yes, you did.
And what is it?
Not only that, you're going to
We have chefs working 24/7, putting together all our pies. Every year we sell hundreds of thousands.
Hundreds, thousands. Thousands
Hundreds
of
of
pies.
thousands. Hundreds of thousands.
Is this a sweatshop in China, or is it?
And we also consign out for our pumpkin pies to some of the other favorite chefs in the area. And
home delivery.
There's three
And
ways
there's
to
that's
order.
correct. There's
Three ways.
Three ways to
Multiple
order. Let's
ways.
review what those ways
Yes,
are.
how? Yes.
You can call.
Call.
You can order online.
Yep.
And you can also, if you are a procrastinator, like some of us, you can come in at the last minute into our restaurants because we have a buffer. And
we charge double.
We do,
Or
indeed.
triple.
And then we also shame you as
Yes.
as you're leaving. We laugh behind your back. But feel free. There's actually still time because it's still Thanksgiving. And
That's
it's,
right.
Couple
Yeah,
hours.
that's-
yeah.
yeah.
So
Bang, if the
Dinner
restaurant's
time.
closed, bang on the window.
and we haven't even touched these yet. So these are
you-
still
they're for
available.
sale.
These are
They're for
yeah,
sale.
the price has gone way up on this. Look at all these hungry
And if you're in
customers.
Denver,
We're kind of like the Uber of pies. So
It's an Uber
it's
of
a pie in
pies.
demand, and
That's right.
you know, we'll see how many people call.
all it takes is money.
Yeah.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Are you ready to order yet? But wait, how much would you pay for all of this? Don't answer. Because if you order right now, we will add this fabulous pie topper at no extra charge. You get 1, 2, 3, 4 pies, the whipped cream, and the pie topper for how much? How much? How much?
$12.95.
$19.99.
Oh wait, order before midnight.
Order before midnight tonight. Operators are standing by.
And wait, get this free ice crusher.